How's it going, everyone? Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. Behind me is a 2021 Chevy Equinox LT. Let me show you around this midsize SUV. So you have a 1.5 liter turbo with a 6-speed automatic transmission, getting you roughly 8 liters per 100 kilometers. All-wheel drivetrain. You have got these real nice alloy wheels, tinted windows in the back. Coming to the rear here, got second set of tires, 60/40 folding rear seats. One previous owner on this SUV, as well as it is certified pre-owned. Coming into the interior here, you got your door panels. You got these premium cloth seats with the brown stitching. You have your cruise control settings, lane departure, and front collision mitigation. Here is your audio and hands-free. Up on the dash, 11,761 kilometers. Infotainment system, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay compatible. Here's your climate control, as well as you have heated front seats. Down below here you have your USB inputs. You can select whether you want all-wheel drive to be active, or if you just want the front wheels to power the SUV. Here's your gear select and your park brake down below here. And you have your center console. And coming to the back, you got cup holders in the middle here to bring down the seats. There's just the button up top here. We got 2 charging inputs in the middle. Thank you guys for watching this video on the 2021 Equinox LT. For more information on this SUV, feel free to reach out to us, 250-860-6000, or you could always drop by a dealership. We're located on the corner of Lucky and Highway 97. Open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you guys again for watching. Have yourselves a great day.